Long ago, in the Vale of Eternity, there lay a paradise called Nivara, blessed by the evergreen spirit. Its rivers shimmered, fields thrived, and the people flourished. But arrogance crept into their hearts, and the sacred rituals were forgotten. The spirit vanished, leaving behind a prophecy. When hope fades, one of pure heart shall rise to break the curse. Only they can restore Nivara. For decades, Nivara withered. Then came the drought, a curse that drained rivers, turned fields to stone, and left the villagers struggling.
Arin, what did you hear?
It said, "Seek the tree of eternity to break the curse, but beware the shadows are watching."
If the stories are true, we must take this chance. I'll go with you.
Together, they ventured into the Vale of Eternity. The air grew colder, and whispers seemed to rise from the ground.
Did you hear that?
Yes, they're watching us.
Glowing red eyes appeared in the shadows as they discovered an ancient, glowing doorway covered in runes. Beyond it was the Cavern of Echoes, an underground world filled with glowing fungi and rivers of light.
Look out!
Shadowy creatures, the Wraithborn, emerged from the darkness.
They're coming!
Run.
Finally, they reached the Tree of Eternity. Standing before it was the Shadow Keeper, cloaked in darkness.
Do you think you can undo this curse? Your people are selfish and unworthy.
That may be true, but not all of us have forgotten. I'll prove there is still hope.
The Keeper unleashed a storm of darkness, forcing Arin to confront his greatest fears. Shadows consumed him.
You're stronger than this, Arin. Don't give up.
Summoning all his courage, Arin touched the tree's trunk. Light surged through him, shattering the shadows and dissolving the Keeper into nothingness.
Arin and Elya, you did it.
You have proven that even in darkness, there is hope. Honor the land and never forget the balance between man and nature.
Life returned to Nivara. The villagers vowed to cherish their blessings, and Arin and Elya became legends. Songs were sung of their bravery, and the Tree of Eternity became a sacred site, a reminder of their courage.